We've got to talk about the second section of the 14th Amendment because it tells us so much about American history and about constitutionalism in general. Here's the basic gist. If any state denies or abridges voting rights to males 21 years or older, that state's voting proportion in the House of Representatives will be similarly decreased. In other words, dear South, if you try to restrict the voting rights of newly emancipated black men, then your power in Congress will be similarly decreased. Their voting power is equal to your voting power. That is very clever. And yet whenever we talk about the second section, it's only to mention that it's the one that introduced the word male into the U.S. Constitution, which was very unhelpful because now you have the connection between the word male, where it didn't exist before, and voting rights. And now the women's suffrage movement has to do more than just overturn state-based restrictions on voting. So, that sucks. But actually the second section is really clever and it had a really good intention behind it. So why don't we talk about it? For two reasons. First, because the 15th Amendment kind of eclipses it. The 15th Amendment basically says that the right to vote shall not be denied or abridged on account of race, color, or previous condition of servitude. And then second, because the 14th Amendment's second section is never enforced. Therefore, it doesn't matter. This tells us something really important about the U.S. Constitution. It's your Constitution. It's the people's Constitution to interpret and to enforce. If you refuse to read the Constitution, know what's in it, interpret it, and enforce it, it's just a parchment barrier. It does nothing for you or for anyone else.